Hi, hello. Now we are preparing chicken haleem in easy and tasty way. Now we are starting the main process. Add godum rava 2 cups and minapappu 2 cups. Add some cashews and almonds into this and add kandipappu 2 cups. Barley 1 cup. And then add pachanpappu 2 cups and 1 cup of rice. You can take basmati rice and wash it well until the dirt clean and soak it for 10 minutes. Now take pressure cooker and add 2 spoons of ghee. Add cashews and almonds into this. Stir it well until the color changes. Take it into separate plate. Add chopped onions into ghee and roast until the color changes into golden brown. Wait, I see like this. You can stir until the color changes into golden brown. Now we take into separate plate. Add marinated chicken, ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons, and green chilies, 4 to 5 green chilies. Stir it well. After stirring this, add soaked pakoor and add 1 liter of water and cover it with the lid. Pressure cook it for 3 to 6 whistles. After they cook, it looks like this and smash it well. You need to smash very well until the texture change into like this. And now your chicken haleem is ready to serve. And serve it with almond, cashews and onions.